Okay, here sa video na ito, we're going to demo how to create a blog page for your WordPress website. So you see here, we have a demo site. Okay, this is WordPress and ayan, we are logged in now. Ito yung dashboard. Okay, so how do you create a blog page? Alright, right now, as you can see here, sa main navigation, wala pa yung blog page. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to create a page, no? Add lang tayo ng page. Gagawin natin yung blog page. And then just name this. Okay, just cross this out. Let's name it blog lang. Yeah, blog. And then publish your blog. This will be the holder, no, of your different snippets for your mga blogs mo. Okay, so now that we have the blog, let's go back to the dashboard. And then we're going to go here, settings, and then reading. We're going to set the post page, no, to blog. Ayan, so ito yung na-create natin kanina, blog, and then save the changes. Okay, so now we have the blog. We need to make sure that it is added sa main navigation. So how do you do that? Appearance and then menu. And then we're going to add the blog. Okay, so let's view all here. You see here the blog, naka-post page na siya. Let's add that on the menu. And then pwede nating i-drag, no? Ayan, so drag here and then save. And then refresh our demo site. And then you can see here the blog na. But right now, if you click that, ayan, we have the hello world because meron tayo dito, post page. This is where you add your blogs. Alright, ayan. So you add ka lang ng post. Ito, you can trash. No? This is the default one. Ayan. Alright, so that's how you add yung blog section or blog page. No? So basically, you add posts here. You add frequent mga blog posts. Okay? Ayan. So thank you for watching.